we want, as opposed to just formal jobs, we want to ensure that we encourage and facilitate the culture of entrepreneurship, Mr. Chairman, through effective deployment of ICT, more so with respect to the digital jobs that we want to create, and the massive ICT literacy program that the industry envisages to be undertaken under this ministry, Mr. Chairman. We will equip not just students in high schools with the relevant ICT skills, but we will also ensure that correspondingly the teaching fraternity are well equipped with the relevant IT skills, so that we have got a critical mass of young people getting out into the job market with skills that can facilitate entrepreneurship in this sector, as opposed to opting for white-collar jobs, so that people are self-employed, Mr. Chairman. In the same vein, through adequate innovation and creativity